Imagine it's 2 a.m. You're wide awake, heart pounding, facing a huge decision. Sound familiar? We've all been there. Those make or break moments for your business, career, or life. These aren't just any choices, they're the ones with big impacts, the ones that feel irreversible, and honestly, they can be terrifying. But what if you had a clear roadmap to navigate them? That's where our 2 a.m. decision framework comes in. It's a 7 step process designed to bring clarity and confidence even when things feel chaotic. First, you need to define the decision. What exactly are you trying to achieve? Get super specific. Next, gather all your relevant info. Become a detective. Don't forget to spot those information gaps too. Then it's time to analyze risks and opportunities. What could possibly go wrong? What could go incredibly right? Get a balanced view. After that, consult your inner counsel. Chat with mentors, trusted friends, or experts. Fresh perspectives are golden. Once you have all that, visualize the scenarios. Play out each option in your mind. How does it feel? What are the short and long term impacts? This helps bring clarity. Now, the big one, make the decision with conviction. You've done the work, trust your gut and your process. Don't let imperfection be the enemy of progress. Finally, implement and review. A decision isn't done until it's in motion. Keep an eye on the results, learn, and be ready to adapt. This framework won't eliminate all risk, but it will empower you to make informed, confident choices. Thanks for being here. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.